Rotational molding cost. When it comes to manufacturing large, hollow, one-piece parts, rotational molding is a cost-effective solution that offers many benefits. The process of rotational molding involves heating a mold and rotating it on two perpendicular axes, causing the plastic material to evenly coat the interior of the mold. This results in a seamless, one-piece part that is strong and durable. One of the major advantages of rotational molding is its cost-effectiveness. For small quantities, the cost of the mold itself can be a significant expense. But for larger production runs, the cost per part decreases as the cost of the mold is spread out over a larger number of parts. Rotational molding can also save on costs by eliminating the need for assembly, which can be especially beneficial for large and complex parts. This not only saves on labor costs, but it also increases the overall efficiency of the production process. Additionally, rotational molding can be used to create parts in a variety of sizes, shapes, and thicknesses, making it a very versatile option for a wide range of manufacturing needs. Choose rotational molding for your next manufacturing project and see the cost-saving benefits for yourself. Contact us now to learn more about how we can help with your next project and get a free quote. Call us at 812-526-2655 for a free consultation today.